Hi everyone, Paul Laux with Grand Design RV Reflection Travel Trailers and Fifth Wheels. I'm currently standing in the 312 BHTS travel trailer. This is our only bunkhouse model in the travel trailer lineup, and I would argue that it's probably one of the nicest travel trailers in a bunkhouse style. So standing in the main living area, this is centered on the extended kitchen island. As you look around, feel free as I'm talking to move the camera around and look. But I did want to point out a couple different features in here. One being, feels very open. We do have two opposing slide outs, one on the door side and then the off door side to open up this kitchen area where we've worked in the island. So ample countertop, lots of doors and drawers for storage. You can see on both sides of me, we do have a hutch area on each side of the kitchen. So again, more prep area, places to plug in, different appliances that you'd use in the kitchen throughout the day without having to move things around periodically. Nice 30-inch microwave over the range. You have a window here on the off-door side, and then of course, I do have the blinds closed, but all campside windows here. Now this 312, weight-wise, you're gonna come in right around 9,500 pounds unloaded, with about 1,000 pounds just under on the hitch. And lengthwise, you're sitting just over 37 feet. So perfect setup as far as size, weights, things like that for a 3/4 ton pickup to tow this thing. Overall height in this unit, we're at 84 inches throughout the entire ceiling height, and then you have 6-foot slide height. So in the bunk room, which I'll show you in a moment, main living area, it's going to feel more open, instead of bringing this down and kind of restricting your headspace or doing a crowned roof. We've got a straight roof line all the way across, and then the nice tall slide room height. So again, feel free to look around. This thing will sleep about 8 to 10, depending on the size of the kids or grandkids. Nice theater seating right across from the television. We did actually mount the TV to the wall here, so if you notice, you get extra prep space where some will use like a pop-up TV or install it right over that main countertop area. And we just decided to leave that for extra space where you could, prep any food or set things out if you're having guests over. Now, folks, we are back in the bunk room here of the 312 BHTS, and I'm going to stand on the doorway here of the entrance to the bunk room so you can kind of take a look around as I'm talking. But plenty of sleeping space, as you can see back here. Not sure if you can see all the way up here, but we do have a loft bunk over on the door side, where all of your storage is built in. And again, commonly in a bunk room, you can be lacking some storage, so we have worked in plenty of that. You have a wardrobe with a mirror built in, 3 long dresser drawers, and then also you can use this shelving for some storage as well, but kind of works twofold as a ladder. So we have installed some tread steps here on the ladder, working your way up to the top bunk here on the door side. You have 3 windows throughout. You've got your flip-up bunk here, which I can lift up for you if you want to see. That's on a strut assist, so easy up, easy down, and then a tri-fold sofa underneath that'll fold out. So again, for back here, this slides out, so you have a nice opening. Kids can install a TV back here for gaming or movies if you want to have that entertainment area back here and close them off from the rest of the room on a rainy day. So. But yeah, take a look around. I do have some air vents back here as well, which will help the airflow when you've got both ACs running. And folks, real quick, I did want to show you briefly the bathroom of the 312 BHTS. Over here, you have your 30 by 36 shower. We did just start installing the shower caddy. Of course, you have the skylight above for extra headspace for the taller customers. And then a glass sliding door. Into the vanity here, you have obviously your medicine cabinet, and then we have recently changed our sink here in the bathroom. We used to use a smaller stainless size. Folks were giving us a lot of feedback that they preferred a larger bathroom sink for washing hands and brushing teeth, shaving, things like that. So we have adjusted to the customer needs and put that larger sink, but without the sacrifice of your countertop space. So hopefully you can see that here in the video, and something to pass along for your customers. And everyone, lastly, I have you in the bedroom here for the master bedroom of the 312 BHTS. You are on a 60 by 80 queen size mattress. This bed will lift up on struts for underbed storage. Your wardrobe up here, you've got a couple drawers underneath, and then the wardrobe closet It's twofold. You can use it as obviously hanging space for clothes. That is prepped for a washer and dryer, so you could put a combo unit in there. Sliding bedroom door, second thermostat if you have the second AC installed, and then your roller shades, of course. 2 wardrobes, overhead cabinets, USB plug-ins, 110s on both sides of the bed for phones, alarm clocks. But yeah, this is, like I mentioned before, one of our nicer bunk models in the Reflection series. Feel free to check our website out, granddesignrv.com, if you need to get in touch with any of our floor plans. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact your sales representative, and hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you.